So these folding chairs help us to go ahead and have extra seating available when we have friends and family over. They do have a steel frame, and then of course they have vinyl seats, which are fantastic to go ahead and actually keep clean. Plus they actually have a little bit more of comfortable seating because of the foam padding in the seats. Now, we have a table of 6, but every now and then we always have a couple of extra family members that come over, and these chairs work perfectly for us to be able to pull them out of the closet where they are folded and set aside, and provides us that extra seating that we need for people who just unexpectedly arrive at our home. Just because of the design and the sturdiness of this particular chair, I would recommend these chairs for any type of business setting, office area, perhaps maybe a conference room, boardroom. You could also use these within your home if you host a lot of parties, family gatherings, or even family reunions. These stand 30 inches tall and they're 18.5 inches wide. Overall, these chairs have been a huge benefit for us during the holidays when we have additional guests in our home. Thanks guys for watching, and y'all have a fantastic day.